all the composers forever were males. And they wrote about women missing their lovers, of the Sas Nanad keeping their eyes on her movements. And then the fact that she feels alone in the monsoon because her man is away. And daily we were seeing women living alone while their men were in Dubai or they were in the merchant navy, whatever else, dealing with life. Strong women, homemakers. But here these men were all in this romantic bubble of how, and they would obviously put themselves in the place of those lovers that this woman was missing. So the whole thing is framed that way. And later, of course, Shanta is thoroughly castigated by her guru. How could you do this? How could you do that? And she defends herself very ably, but she feels the loss of a certain respect that she had for this guru, and realize that that respect is confined only to his knowledge of his music. There is no opening out to the world, whereas she, as a growing feminist musician, wants to bring the whole world in. So this little piece then goes on to a confrontation between her guru and her. So that's where the piece comes from. She's gently breaking down doors, because I think women have been so confined to their spaces that when they break out of that, they empathize with everything else that has been confined like them. So it is the margins that feminism opens up, whether it is the environment, whether it is Dalits, whether it is other religions against which now suddenly there is this great hatred being spread. Whatever it is, animals, feminism, if you grow into feminism, you grow into all these marginal issues and problems. So, and with men, because they have certain entitlements, they do not realize until they consciously talk to themselves. They don't realize how confined they are, how limited they are. I remember long ago, a male friend saw me sewing. I was sewing, I still do. And he said, "You, a feminist, how can you sew?" I said, "Come and see how I can sew. This is how I sew." And I said, "How dependent can you be on male tailors? Tell me that I'm not, because I'm independent and I understand my body best. So I make my clothes, they fit me. Thank you." So it is these kinds of, confinements that I have always been very impatient with, and I love.